Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel. In today's video we are going to be doing another plan with me, and we are going to be planning out the week of February 17th through February 23rd in my Erin Condren Hourly Life Planner. And the kit I will be using today is the kit Lovable Ladybugs from my mom shop Boodles Doodles. This is the page that has all the full boxes and the washi and some single habit trackers. And then we have two different colored habit trackers, so you can choose. You can either use the red one or the black one. And then we have some to-dos, some little 3-heart checklists, another full box in your quarter boxes. And then you have a sheet of black and red half boxes. And then you have date covers. So again, you can either use the red ones or the black ones. So that is the kit I will be using today. So the first thing we're gonna do is what I always do, and I'm going to do my date covers and my sidebar. So as I said last week, this whiteout actually working out much better than any of the whiteout that I've used in the past. Oh no! So I'm gonna go ahead and lay my washi down. So what did everyone do for Valentine's Day? Me and my husband actually just stayed in. Me and my husband have been together for, it'll be 10 years this year. And we have gone out for Valentine's Day pretty much every single year for the past 9-10 years. Since it's our very first Valentine's Day as a married couple, and it's our very first Valentine's Day in our very own apartment. So we stayed in, and my husband made us a delicious meal, and we just spent a quiet evening at home and together. So that was how we spent our Valentine's Day, and it was absolutely wonderful and very special. So, okay, so I guess we're gonna do the sidebar and everything first. So I'm gonna go ahead and make some decisions. I have two different habit trackers that could match this kit. I have a black one and a red one. Oh my gosh. I used the red date covers. I was gonna use the black ones. I'm gonna do that. Okay, so we fixed that. I just wanted to pull in some black because there's a lot of red in this kit already. I don't want it to be just overwhelming amount of red. So anyways, back to what we're doing. So we're gonna do the sidebar now. And I'm gonna put my habit tracker down here this week. I've been putting my habit tracker up a little bit and putting a decorative sticker there, but I think I actually want, I want to do, I don't know, something different, something a little different. Or if you've been watching my channel, you know that I'm always experimenting, seeing what works best for me in this planner. Okay, so what decorative sticker do I want to use? I feel like there is a ton of stuff that I want to talk about, but I have no idea where to start. I actually, again, I'm pulling in this kit from Planner Kate because she has this black to-do right up here, and I'm gonna use it for my weekly to-do list up here. Going back to me being tired. Me and my family are energy drink junkies. That sounds so bad when I say it that way, but there's really no other way to say it because that's just how we are. We call it drank in my family. It's kind of been a joke, but both me and my husband get very negatively affected by it, we found. We want to not be so dependent. I convinced myself that I couldn't start my day without an energy drink. And that's not a good thing at all. I want to change that to try and get healthier because I realized it was not a good thing to do. I'll do to go here because there's a couple places I have to go this week. Okay, and then I can actually use these other to-dos. So, I think this will actually work. It'll take a little longer. I'm forever changing up the style of my sidebar, guys, just in case you're wondering. I think it keeps life interesting. Okay, I can now safely say that I used all of the checklists from this kit from Planner Kate. I've used them to their fullest, so woo! Now I can move on to Monday. I'm going to, again, use some appointment labels from Planner Kate 210 because she has black ones in here. And I'm gonna use this one here at 6 in the morning because it is Monday. And everyone knows at this point on Monday that my younger brother calls. He is in Scotland on a mission trip, which is why he calls so early. Because 6 o'clock a.m. my time is 1 o'clock p.m. his time. And then 7:45, I'm going to the gym and really trying to add more white spaces. Last week I didn't go so well, but again, last week was a holiday week. And I think I'm gonna take inspiration from Julie Plans, and use holiday weeks as more decorative. Now I'm gonna use a full box to mark off work. And I'm gonna use this little guy because he's so cute. So stinking cute. We're gonna come back to Monday. I'm gonna do my to-dos down here, speed you guys through that, and then we'll come back to Monday because I am riding the struggle bus here with trying to figure out what I want to do with everything. So I'm gonna do my to-dos and then my other header, and then we'll come back. So be right back. Okay, so now I have all the to-dos laid down and we can get back to Monday. I think what I decided to do is I'm just going to put a little flag down for work because I'm literally just going into the office to catch up on some things. So I think I'm just gonna put a label down here because I'm not gonna be in the office for the whole day. I'm not gonna do it. That is what I'm doing. I've decided. What we were gonna do, a friend of ours invited us to the movies. So I think we're gonna do that at about 5 o'clock because our friend's husband does not get out of school until then. So we're gonna go and we may grab dinner. I'm not entirely sure. And then that night, when we get back, Shane has band practice. That is Monday. Okay, that is all we have to do on Monday. Tuesday, I have nothing going on at 6 o'clock in the morning. I am, however, going to the gym. Okay. So, okay. I could actually take these out and use workout stickers. I'd like to use them. So we'll do that. Okay, and then I'll put a red one down. Okay, that's still crooked. Oh my gosh. I don't know what I would do if I didn't have removable stickers. Okay, and then, so Tuesday's a little bit more busy. So Tuesday, I will actually have a lunch hour and then finish off the full day. And then finish out the rest of the work day. I have to train my client at 7:30, right there. And then after that, in the evening, Shane does have band practice, so I don't know how I'm gonna double lay this, because I also have to pick up my sister-in-law and my niece from the airport. So that might actually be a to-do that I write down. Okay, so that is Tuesday. Wednesday is just a very normal day. I don't have like anything going on at all except for my normal routine. And then Shane has band practice at 9. Okay, so I meant to speed through, kind of speed up this, but I didn't. So this is the first half of the week. I'm gonna go ahead and speed through the rest of the week, do a voiceover, and then do an overview, and then add some decor and the pen. But yeah, this is what the first half of the week looks like. So I'm gonna flip it over and speed you guys through. So here we go. Okay, so this is it. This is my week. Much more white space than last week, which is good. I'm kind of going back and forth, having a more white space, less white space, more white space. I don't know, we're kind of playing around with the feel of it all. But anyways, this is what my week looks like. There are a couple of things that I know for sure I have to do on several days. Most of the week is actually pretty generic, pretty normal. So yeah, this is what it looks like before the pen. I'm pretty happy with it. It's basic, it's simple, it's not too overly chaotic. So yeah, okay. I'm gonna go ahead and I'm going to put in some deco and do a voiceover and we'll be good to go. So we'll come back. So the first thing that I'm going to do is I'm going to go in with my Planner Kate music note icons and mark down when Shane has band practice. The next thing I'm going to do after that is I'm going to write down church on Sunday, and then we do have a bill due on the 22nd, which is Saturday, and then payday is on Thursday. And then I went in with my Planner Kate freebies, which are the dot stickers, and I added some daily to-dos. And then I went in and I added a doodle girl on Saturday because I do have a hair appointment. And then I went in and I found some of these super cute training stickers from Wonton and a Million. And then I put down my Plan With Me sticker on YouTube. And then going in with the pen, I did write down that Shane and I are doing balloons for Mardi Gras. Next, I went in with some work script stickers that my mom made me from her shop Boodles Doodles, coming soon. And I just marked down the days that I have work. And then I took the little fork and knife stickers, again from my mom's shop Boodles Doodles, coming soon, and just marked my lunch hours. And then going in and filling in some spaces with the pen. The pen I'm using is the Tool Needle Tip Gel Pen, one of my favorites. And I just marked down the things that I needed to write down, such as Shane's band practice, lunch, and my hair appointment. All right, everybody, so this is it. This is what this week looks like. I really dig it. I kind of dig the feel of this. There is more white space than last week, like I said before. This week is not very busy, but there are things that I do need to get done. I've been hitting all of my workout goals for the past couple of weeks, and I want to keep on that track. But yeah, that is it, guys. That concludes this plan with me for the week of February 17th to the 23rd. I really hope you guys enjoyed it. If you do, please don't forget to subscribe. Hit that notification bell so you can stay updated on when I upload. And thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye!